Into Video Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take a nozzle using the image host tool and turn it into a pattern and then turn it into a great clone source. Now you can create something similar to this. Now, first thing to do, just go to the nozzle libraries, and also there's patterns here. Now I've actually defined it as this document as a pattern, so you just go here, define pattern. Now if you define the pattern and then you go back to define pattern, it actually turns it off. It is actually a pattern now. So if I just go with the current nozzle, so you can apply that nozzle and you can see it just wraps around. You can use any nozzle, so I'm just going to quickly go here to load nozzle, maybe choose that nozzle there. So you can see that nozzle applied there and it wraps around again. That's the key thing. So I'm just going to apply it over the entire design, so you can just create a quick pattern. So it's a seamless tile, and I'm just going to quickly finish there, and that's, say, the nozzle applied. I'm using it over here, spray size R. Now, patterns. Again, you can go to capture pattern. So you can capture it, and I'm just going to go for nozzle 4. Click OK. And the key thing here now is the clone source. I say clone source, just go to Window, clone source there. Right. What you can do, just select the current pattern. You can also obviously got texture, etc. But current pattern. And now I'm just going to quickly go over here to cloners again and select that, and bristle. I'm just going to go with that one and just apply strokes like that. Now that's not blurring that. So if I actually clear that down, if I say fill current colour, I can get rid of that, and you can actually see now. You can actually see very quickly, you can create a lovely sort of blurry nozzle effect just by using the cloner feature. And of course you can use it with the other ones as well. So you can go down here, fine spray cloner, and you can apply lovely. And again, obviously you can then go back and vary the nozzle. So you can just go and maybe create a couple when you're actually creating the patterns. You can create 3 or 4, and then you can apply those. And just go up to another one, very there, and again you can see the effect. A lovely sort of nozzle effect created using this bristle. Anyway, hope you found that of interest. Thank you much.